Little storyteller.
Percy Penguin, with his shiny black and white feathers and bright orange feet, waddled happily to the ice rink. He wore a smart little bow tie and carried a clipboard. Today was the Sunny Shores ice skating fun day, and Percy was the head judge. The ice sparkled like 1,000 tiny diamonds under the warm sun. First to skate was Fiona the fluffy bunny. Her white fur looked like soft cotton candy, and she wore a sparkly pink dress. Fiona twirled and leaped on the ice, her long ears flopping with each jump. When she finished, Percy clapped his flippers. "That performance was fantastic," he announced, writing down his score. The audience giggled. Next up was Sammy the squirrel. He was small and speedy, with a bushy tail that swished behind him as he zipped across the ice. Sammy did lots of quick turns and even skated in a wiggly line. "That was absolutely really good," Percy declared with a smile. Sammy grinned, showing his tiny teeth. Then came Olivia the otter. Her fur was sleek and brown, and she moved on the ice with graceful slides and playful dips. Olivia even juggled 3 shiny pebbles while skating. Percy was very impressed. "Olivia, your skating was off the scale," he exclaimed, and the audience chuckled again. After everyone had skated their best, Percy stood on a little platform. "All the skaters were so wonderful today," he said. "You each showed us your own special talents, and that's what makes skating so much fun." He gave Fiona, Sammy, and Olivia each a shiny medal. They all cheered and hugged. Percy then shared a fun fact. "Did you know that penguins are very good swimmers? Our flippers help us glide through the water, just like your skates help you glide on the ice." Everyone learned something new and smiled, happy to have shared such a fun day together.
Please subscribe. Thank you.